Hi everyone. Today I am going to do a quick eye tutorial with 3 colors, and I'm using Soulmate, which is a shimmer, kind of on the pink tone, and Dream, which was 2 months ago, shade of the month, and London as a kind of a pinky brown. So I'm wearing a pink t-shirt, I have my pink sapphires on today, and I'm just ready to do some pink for spring, so follow along with me. So first I'm going to take the shadow called Dream, and I'm just going to sweep that on my brow bone. I have large, deep set eyes, and so I'm going to put the color so that when my eyes are open, you can see the color. If I put it down on my lid, you might not see most of it. So just kind of blend that out, keep things up, and a light hand. And I did already prep my eyes with my main shade of highlight, and then I set it with the setting powder to prep. And then I'm going to take the other end of the eyeshadow brush and just sweep this along my lower lash line to give a little shadow there. I have super blonde lashes, and so they don't stand out. Gotta put a little bit of mascara on there, but anyway, so sweep that out like that and blend everything just like so. And then I'm going to tap into the darker shade, this one that is called Lullaby, and I'm going to use the small end, and I'm just going to put that right here along the lash line a little bit, and then make a V and kind of darken that. And then I use my brush tile cleaner. If you don't have one, you should get one. Let me show you quickly what it looks like. This is my large palette, but it's this tile right here, and it's a fabulous brush cleaner. So in between shades, you don't have to switch brushes. You just you can just clean that off, and then you can blend a little easier because you want it to be blended and seamless looking. And then fingers are always a good thing, so I'm going to take the shimmer shade, which is Soulmate, and I'm just going to tap that all along the lid like that, and then that's my pink shade. And then of course you can kind of blend in the edges there like that. And there you have a pink undertone sort of shimmery shadow. Very simple, just using 3 colors.